Hello guys, I hope you are okay. I hope you are doing fine. In today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from OKX to a fellow OKX user. I'll also show you how to transfer or withdraw crypto from OKX to another wallet. In this case we are going to use Binance for the demonstration. So here we are logged in into my OKX account. We'll go to the wallet, into the my asset section, then select withdraw. So it has opened. We are going to select the crypto. In this case we are going to withdraw USDT, and I have 4.74 USDT for withdrawal. Then for the destination, on-chain is where you want to withdraw from one exchange to another, like from OKX to Binance. Then for internal withdrawal is when you want to withdraw crypto from your OKX to another OKX user. And usually for the internal withdrawal it's free. Yes, and you can put in the phone number that the person has used to register with, or their email, or their UID or sub account. So for the UID, you'll find it here in your profile. UID is like your account number, it's unique. As you can see, mine is this number. This is UID. So if someone asks for your UID so that they can deposit crypto in your wallet, you send them that. Whether they use email, phone number, or UID, you are going to receive the crypto. Okay, and we have said for internal withdrawal it's free. So we are going to start with that. We are going to withdraw to my sister's number, to my sister's account. We select country is Kenya, then we put in her phone number. Okay, then for the amount, as you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.01 USDT. So we are going to put in maximum, which is 4.74 USDT. If your funds are in different account, that is in funding or the trading section, and you want to withdraw of them, you can select both categories. But since mine are all in funding, since I bought on P2P, I will just go with funding section. Then as you can see, the network fee is free for internal withdrawal. Most exchanges offer this. You are not charged when you're sending a user of the same exchange. So my sister will receive 4.74 USDT, the exact amount I sent. So click on next, and then you can confirm if this is the phone number. Does the UID start with this and end with this? If that's okay, you can proceed by clicking on confirm. Then you have to set like your funds PIN or password. You can use fingerprint or set a password or a number, for security purposes, one that no one knows about. So we are going to proceed with this. Okay, and that's it, as simple as that. So the crypto is on the way. She will receive on her side, and you can check how it's progressing here. You can see it's pending. And guys, once you send crypto, it's gone. Even though you can see the option of cancel, it's very difficult. Once crypto is gone, it's gone. As you can see, I just clicked, even a minute has not ended, and the status is withdraw. So you see it's gone. Yeah, so that's it. Let me show you now how to withdraw crypto from OKX to another wallet. In this case we said we are going to use Binance. So let me log into Binance. I logged into Binance because that is where I will come and copy the deposit address. So here's my Binance wallet, my Binance account. I'll click on deposit, and then I'll select deposit crypto. Hope you can see this section, the one that I'm highlighting, so that I can copy the address. Okay, then I'm going to select the crypto that I want to deposit. You can come here and search from the various options, and we want to deposit USDT. For the network, we are going to use Aptos. As you can see, there are various networks, and I used Aptos since it's the cheapest. The others charge so much, most of them. Let me show you the charges here on OKX. We'll go to the wallet, to the asset, then withdraw since we want to withdraw. Here's where you'll see the charges of different cryptos on the various network. So let's put USDT. For the network, this is what I'm talking about, guys. You see, if you withdraw crypto USDT from via the Tron chain, the TRC20, you're going to pay a gas fee of 1.6983. If you use Ethereum, you're going to be charged 0.8192. If you use XLayer, that is the amount. Aptos is the cheapest when you withdraw from OKX. Also, when you withdraw crypto, that is USDT, from Binance to other exchanges, Aptos is the cheapest. As you can see, let me show you. Yeah, so that is why I chose Aptos. And this is the address. When someone asks you for a crypto address to deposit crypto, that is how you go. You come to deposit, select crypto, select network, and the address is generated depending on the chain, on the network. Can you please take note of the Aptos chain address? Let me show you now for the BSC. Guys, do you see any difference? Okay, let me show you for another chain, Matic. Are they the same? Okay, just take note and tell me if they are the same. But the thing is, Aptos is the cheapest. So when someone asks for the address, you come and copy. Yes, the addresses are different, by the way. You see, this has reached up to here, and the other ones were reaching here, ending with, was it 46 or was it F6? Yes. So you copy this address, and then when you come to OKX, you'll come here, withdraw USDT, then select on chain. You select Aptos, the address you paste, then for the amount. Okay, so I just deposited the funds back, and as you can see, it's reflecting 3.74 USDT, and it's going to charge me a network fee of 0.03 USDT from that amount. So my Binance wallet is going to receive 3.71 USDT. So let's proceed. We click next. You confirm, is this the address that you copied from the Binance? Let's check. Yeah, so the address is correct. Guys, be careful, because if you send funds to the wrong address, it can't be recovered. It's gone. It's now lost money. You can't recover it. There's no reversal in crypto. We proceed with that. And our 3.71 USDT is on the way. It will arrive within 2 minutes or even less. You see how fast crypto is? Yeah. Let's refresh here. So it seems it has gone to Binance. So let's check our Binance wallet. You come here to profile, then assets. It should reflect anytime from now. You also get notified by the email, by the way, so be sure to check your email. So our crypto is here, our 3.71 USDT. As you can see, it's confirming the blocks. Once they are done, the funds should be available for usage. Also guys, I would like to tell you that this network fee or gas fee that you're being charged for withdrawal, it remains constant despite the amount that you're withdrawing. Whether you're withdrawing 3.74 USDT like me, or you're withdrawing $10,000 or even $1 million, whichever amount you're withdrawing, it's the same amount, the same network fee, it's constant. So a tip there is to withdraw more at once instead of withdrawing small amount and it keeps charging you the same amount. Either way, this is for the demonstration, and as you can see, the amount that's reflected here, 3.72. Yeah, seems that I had some cents in USDT. And you can check your assets. You can see the transaction, the deposit of USDT is completed. So that's it guys for this video. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so as not to miss out valuable videos just like this. Thank you.